Jumbled words game, birds and animals edition, 25 questions, one topic. Let's go. Here is your word number 1 with the hint it's a big cat. That's right, it is lion. You need to read the hint yourself, and this is question number 2. Frog. It's similar to frog. Toad. The only mammal that can fly. Bats. A large water bird with a long neck. Swan. Long snake-like fish. Eels. What is this bird or animal? Mole. Word number 8. Owls. Tiny insects that live in colonies. Ants. Word number 10. Rats. Boar. A black bird known for intelligence. Crow. Aquatic animal with gills and fins. Fish. Seabirds often found near the coast. Gull. A domesticated animal with horns. Goat. A fast-running animal with long ears. Hare. A small singing bird. Lark. Mice. Word number 19. A waterfowl with a broad bill. Duck. A small colorful duck. Teal. Small brown bird with a loud song. Word number 23. Deer. Semi-aquatic marine mammal. Seal is the word number 25. Vole. Thanks for watching. You can watch these videos next, and don't forget to like and subscribe.